burgers. Ooh, one more time. Ooh, we just ate some burgers. Whee. And
we about to get dripped out.
about to get right for the night, for the scene. Do you know what I mean?
Sorry guys, the room is dirty. I just got back from out of town trip.
Out of town. Second with my rounds.
Someone was holding down the house though. It was my cat.
Dude, you look fresh, bro. You're crazy.
Alright guys, we'll show them the backyard. You guys don't have that shown on your couch.
You don't got one of these.
And signed by the GOAT himself,
LeBron James.
Iguodala. James.
Is that Messi?
Your friends be named James, no LeBron.
Ooh. Dudes really be named James, but it's only one dude.
Just James, no LeBron.
Just James. I really miss that. But I got the dog clip.
Alright, we'll see you at your swap.
We got Caden.
Costco chicken bake with the double. Wait, where the cookies at?
Do you have the double chocolate chunk?
With the double chunk chocolate Oreos. On our way to the swap meet. About to hand people some notes with the channel's name on it. Get them subs in. Ooh, what you got there? Costco chicken bake. Boom! 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 Let's get it.
We're on the way. We're stuck in traffic right now, but we're still getting it clapping right now. Booty smacking right now.
Quarter mile minute. Bro, why the fuck are we in Mexico right now?
Why are we not in Mexico right now?
Yeah,
Tell them why we're not.
I'll be down to go. Why the fuck are we in Mexico right now? We got the money for it. Do some coke, you know. Get some drinks, tequila.
Little high.
All right, guys, we're following Paul. I think.
Finally, we made it after like 3 hours in traffic. We just got here. We're gonna really just jump cut to the inside. Is it really almost?
All right. They just said we can get in for free on the low once they just leave in 2 minutes. So we're gonna sneak right by them in just half a second. Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Literally half a second.
All right, let us know. Should we go? Should we go?
The truck is hella sick.
Should we enter? Should we enter?
Once all the people come in.
All right, once all the people. All right, we're going in. Later, sir. Yes, yes, yes. We just made it.
I'm pretty sure almost every car is for sale.
So far.
I'm super nervous to pass out cards.
Honestly, we're gonna spread the word around though. See what's happening. This is very nice though. Sheesh, all the silver trimming on this is beautiful for sure. SS. Whoa. Nice. Jeez.
I might have to. We'll have to see.
Whoa. This is beautiful.
Sick.
Ooh. Shit, bro. These boys.
Dude, at the booth we just got, there's a 3D printer. We probably gotta get on the way out.
How much was this?
Oh, I don't think it was for sale. I think they were using it.
Oh. That would have been a W pickup 3D printer. Oh! I use one of these buckets at work. Very handy. Howdy. Ooh, the Domino's? I did not. Oh, there is an inside. There is an inside.
I mean, it's pretty cool.
But yeah, this,
Oh, dude, yeah, probably the fancy ones from the inside.
we still. This is probably here for after 5. I think that this stays past 5 and the one inside closes at 5.
I hope so.
Cause this place probably does.
Because if so, we should probably start.
Yeah, it'd be cool to catch this shit. Always gotta get that. I have cash right now, bro. Made it to
There's a
the
nuke.
important table.
How's it going today?
Good, what you guys?
Doing good.
How long you guys been here today?
All night. Right yesterday.
You enjoying the sun?
Love it.
How was yesterday's?
Yesterday was not busy today.
Already?
Oh, I don't mind.
Dude, those are the ramps you're talking about. Pretty sure.
Man, it's Ferrari. Gotta get it. Gotta get that. OMG.
How are you guys?
Good,
How are
good.
you? Sounds pretty cool.
Subscribe. Actually, don't. Forgot to click that shit. Everything subscribe.
Dude, I want to get specs on this truck. Just because I love Toyotas. This is Honda Land Cruiser. You know what? Come here. What did I say? Thank you. I've never seen this car before, but it looks like my fault. Dude, we gotta get the wall of
1931.
See anything you like, Mr. Washington?
I like this.
Where'd you find a cookie at?
They got
got
some
a-
free ones over there.
Yeah.
Serious?
Yeah.
Oh man.
There's all those down. They got brownies and everything.
Wow.
There it is.
The heat has the chocolate like perfectly melted in it right now
Oh
too.
yeah, I bet. I bet it just like it come out of the oven.
Mm-hmm. Oh, Mopar, sure.
I like this one. And this one. These two. And this one.
Did not see those ones. Well, you guys have a good one. I did not see that.
It says right here.
Indie setup part.
I actually don't know what any of those words or numbers mean.
Carburetor.
But for all my car people out there, we just own the channel about cars.
Do you know what this turbo came from? This turbo? Do you know what it came from? I was wondering what the turbo came from or what vehicle
It was off 734.
I've had that turbo for probably 20 years.
Oh man.
Yeah, I took it off in a wrecking yard, and I think I paid more than that for it because it was a wrecked truck and it wasn't some worn out thing. I mean, all that time and it turns and has no plane. And I bought it because I had never fiddled with the turbo, and I still haven't. But a friend of mine had a turbo, exact same turbo. He put it on a 360-inch AMC engine in a I think it was, I forget what those old AMCs are called. Escapes me now. But when you can turbocharge a 360 AMC that's basically stock and get it to run in the 11s, turbocharging works. You know what I mean? And the thing is, it's not Chinese, it's an actual Garrett. In new money, a Garrett turbocharger like this is like $1,000.
How much do you remember how much you got it at the junkyard at for? You said you got it at the junkyard. Do you remember how much you got it there for?
Actually, that's what I paid for it over 20 years ago.
You never put it in anything?
Never. I've never turbocharged anything. I just was fascinated because my friend Chris at the time. Yeah, until I put this in the back of my truck at the last swap meet, and it got condensation on it.
Yeah.
It didn't even have rust on it. That rust is completely new. And look at that thing. Turns over, has no play in it.
What's the difference between Garrett and JDM? What's the difference between a Garrett turbo and a JDM turbo? You said this one's Garrett and it's made it a little bit better or something?
Well, that Garrett brand is the ones they actually build the proper race turbos that guys make 3,000-4,000 horsepower with. That's a factory turbo. It's not a cheap.
Were those built
Chinese
built here in the
knockoff.
States, or
Huh?
were they built here in the States, or
What?
the Garrett turbos? Were they built here in like the States?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright. You might be back, sir.
Thank you very
You
much
think
for the
you'll-
insight.
You think it'll fit in a Honda Accord?
Yeah, it's a big enough turbo to make
got
like
a
a
brand
350 Chevy make 600 horsepower.
That makes sense.
It's my first time seeing Jack shit pass in my life.
Would be better
Headers. Pretty sure they're headers.
I see.
Dude, imagine sitting with that. Imagine your girlfriend. Specifically your girl.
Hey yo.
All the kits that are available, everybody turbocharges. There's all the exhaust manifolds that they built aftermarket. It's hard to mount stationary a supercharger on.
Think we should head inside?
Belt drive off
Do you think we should head inside, Mr. Washington?
Hey, do you guys? On me. This is me sitting here thinking about how I'm gonna pass out all the business cards today. When my business associate is not about it.
Oh, chrome. It's all chrome.
How's it going? Good. Is that a steering wheel?
That's a steering wheel horn ring.
Oh wow, so it just goes over the front of it.
Yeah, I mean, the steering wheel's here, out here. Yeah. This is just the horn ring. 1947.
That's really cool.
Okay.
So all these tables yours?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Down 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are it.
What's that transmission? Transmission covered? so tiny.
Wow.
The Piston Cup. Harbor Freight jack stands. Sir.
Clip it, you gotta kind of.
Like and subscribe for the. No, I keep saying we gotta clip that. We're actually clipping out all the like.
Bro, there's a lot less cars here than I thought there'd be.
You see all these? There's like 10 million cars.
Matchboxes. I take back what I said. Wow. They got some pretty nice ones.
Did you see these? I feel like. Yeah, I'd like to get this one. Okay. Did you get these motorcycles? On. If only there was a Civic in there somewhere.
Where is this?
Stance or no stance? Stance, not stance.
Oh, such a hard decision.
Yeah, bro.
I'm such a hard decision. Get this one, bro. But still, this one is cool.
Yeah. The Skyline boxes are so cool.
Oh, that's from the first one.
I would love this. There. This whole row is all GTRs, bro. If you can get this. And then this is.
What? Excuse me. Some good cars here. Some good vehicles.
This is that they make a Lego of this car. Dude, these paints are crazy. Super chrome. Oh, what? What?
I'm getting this one for sure, bro. These are so cool.
Dude, these ones are sick, dude. That was my dream Skyline. I never wanted the R34, I just wanted that.
A digital membership, yeah. And at that point, you can every Tuesday try and buy them.
Okay.
They don't do it anymore. About 2 years ago, they stopped doing that. So
Can it be an actual serial number?
that's what these are. See, so this one is, they made 11,000 of them, and this is number 3220. So all the older ones are that way. Up till a couple years ago, they were that way. So even this Camaro's one. Yeah, so this one they only made 3,000 of it. This is number 1220 or 1252.
That's so cool. Right on.
So yeah, it's
So all of
interesting.
these. So with all of these, once they run out, they don't make them anymore.
They put them up for sale. 90% of the time, it'll sell out within an hour. Sometimes it'll sell. I've been online trying to get them, and so many people want it because sometimes bots are doing it.
Oh wow! Yeah, just to get it all.
And they're trying to do as much as they can. And you can go to eBay and see who these bots, see that these guys are bots because they have 20 of them for sale. It's impossible to do that by yourself.
Oh yeah, especially if they're going for $40
Yeah.
per.
Yeah. And that's
$6 shipping.
$6.95 shipping. So now they're anywhere from the lowest price were 25. Now I just with the newest one, which I think that was
25 for the lowest one.
no, it used to be. Now they're more than that. So that's the club car. So that's the one I just got,
Oh yeah.
and you can tell it's a club car because it has a badge.
So all the club cars come with badges.
Yeah. So you look here. I got a bunch of them that have badges that actually belong to like these. These are all club cars. Anybody can join.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you just have to pay the membership fee.
Yeah.
So, and then the last couple of years, what they did is something called Overdrive. So Overdrive, you pay $99.
Oh yeah.
For $99, you don't have to order it.
It's just like a one-time fee.
It's automatic. Yeah. So you pay $99. So you got to figure you're adding those. So this last year that they did it the first time, it was they had about 21 or 22 cars that they put out, and so I don't have to sit at the computer anymore.
Yeah.
It's automatic. They allow you to opt out if you don't want it. You still pay the $99 you pay right up front. But it allow
In the normal one.
you'll never see any of these in the store.
I hope not. Well, I don't even got to hope. That's crazy.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
And expensive.
Dude. Racing Champions Mint. I think the yellowing on these boxes is from age. That's sick.
There has been a fatal accident. I please take 205. Thank you.
Have you seen this? How do you feel about this?
I might need this.
Are you a
this.
Subaru?
I might need this.
Ram.
Honda all the way.
Alright.
Honda.
Let's work our way over. Dude, I don't know what. I think that
That's
goes to a Corvette.
Yeah, bro.
If you had a Corvette, would you put this on your car? Carbon fiber hood. Carbon fiber hood. Oh wow. Small block. These engines are crazy. What if I put one of these in the Honda Civic?
These Porsches are so nice, bro.
Porsche, Ferrari, Porsche. I honestly thought this was going to be different looking.
These are tough, bro. I'm gonna be doing a dive in the next 2 weeks and diving. You gotta be careful.
True. Czysto, Ooh, wee. Oh man, Ferrari. Looks like down there is the only thing open. Don't in the chest. Oh yeah. The main thing. Jiggle, jiggle, shake and wiggle. Jiggle, jiggle, wiggle, shake, shake. I would have liked to see these ones.
I'm gonna go ride the limestone.
And
Like, alright, this is pretty nice.
we got these from the. This is what we picked up today, and then it zooms out to.
I'd be like, guys, we thought there'd be more.
Put it in the case. Mad. Are you mad? Oh shoot, that was so sly. Chrome plated. Oh shoot. See this one right here, before you had your Tesla Cybertruck, they used to put these in the Tesla Cybertrucks before it was made. It's your radio right here. That's your Flurbidator. That's your Terminator. And this bad boy right here. Get to the chopper. This bad boy right here. Free promo. Damn. Holy cow, that thing is beautiful.
Oh shoot, those are the
Oh, is that a... Ah. That's my next build right there, bud. Oh, I actually wasn't recording.
You wanna hop on
This thing is gnarly. Green to blue, silver on
We're
top.
holding one of these.
Yeah.
Okay, takes the photo of us next to it. Get that 0.5 photo from over here too. Dude, this thing is crazy, bro. Different logos.
How's it going?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. About ready to close up.
Looks like you caught you just in the right time.
Yeah. Good to see some young guys out here.
A lot of older folks.
I used to come out here when I was my son's age. My dad would drag me out here.
Yeah.
We'd load up our truck and like, I don't want to come out here.
Fun times.
And then you get out here and it's like, oh man. This
Now that I think about it, it was good for me.
Right. Yeah. How is it being on the earlier side of this? Loading up and
Yesterday
everything?
was really good.
Nice.
A lot of the newer parts went. This is like the older section.
Yeah.
Vintage stuff.
We're good. We're good.
Yeah. Guys came out.
Yeah, this is my first time getting out here. I just
Really?
I'd never even heard of this.
Never been to a swap meet?
No, not this
Oh
one.
man.
Right?
There's a lot to look at and everybody's about to close.
Oh yeah.
We just got here about an hour ago.
Yeah, we got here
There's
way
a lot to
late.
look at.
Yeah, we might come back for a day two tomorrow.
Yeah, we're definitely gonna
Yeah.
try to get out here early in the morning.
8 till 1.
That's okay.
8 a.m. till 1.
Definitely sounds like that.
Yeah.
The shower?
Oh, it's sushi box. Terminator Flurbidator. Did you get that? Are you recording? Too late. One could say this is the real deal. Now come here, boys. Do we think that little handle right there is for hydraulics?
Yeah. Oh, this thing jumps.
Do a jump. Somebody jump. Looks like this is a sold, manufactured Chevrolet motor. It's a nice motor. I want one of these. I would use one of those. Hey, this is cool. I think it's nice.
We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, we'll see you then. Thank you.
Is the seat comfortable?
Yeah, it's a bass boat seat, man.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. As comfy as you can get for that size. Yeah.
Where did you max it out at 90?
I never maxed out.
Oh,
at 90.
okay.
It's a cart motor that'll do 90. I've done probably 60 or 70 hours. Every video of me doing a wheelie at probably 50-ish. Yeah.
What the fuck? Yeah, damn.
Yeah.
Yes, bro.
No, we got it like that. It's 922 horsepower.
Is it fun?
It's cash car.
Fuck.
That's a good one.
What the fuck, bro?
Like,
Got race seats. How do we get it next year?
I think this thing would not have race seats. This right here, outside, I've never seen a gauge outside of the car.
We'll go back.
Oh, that's tough. Jeez, yo.
That thing is awesome. That's definitely one of the tops today. And dude, you know what's crazy to say? That's one of the tops. And I really like these cars. So that's probably gonna be. I might just work my way over. Can you get this? Big butt.
Big butt.
Big. We should go over there next. For sale. I can't believe this thing is for sale.
What do you think it's even worth, bro?
Oh, fuck.
Did you just punch me? Fuck, bug.
You got a real Mad Max deal going on here. This thing is gnarly. With the ammo crate side pouches is awesome. Take a chance with me. Firestone bike. That's awesome. Picture me rolling. Pretty sure those are carburetors. JK. This one's actually a really cool booth. Come over here. Dude, these license plates covers are awesome. Volkswagen sign.
You could see that right there. That probably went on a bus, the front of a bus.
Get to the chopper. Dude, the bike looks weird. Never seen it before. I've never actually seen it. Yes, this is gonna be a good build up to that thing.
What are these Porsches? What are the Porsche things?
Beautiful colors, very nice. It might just be Porsche license plates.
Let me see.
Dude, I want this.
You have Porsche license plates, sir? That's what these are? These are Porsche license plates?
No, it's a sign, 4 foot by 8 foot Porsche sign, lighted for like a dealership.
Yeah.
But yeah, it looks like it. But
Okay, damn. What?
yeah, because I do have license plates. So yeah, these are and I have a Kia sign also up for Kia dealership.
Hell
They're
yeah.
4 foot by 8, size of a piece of plywood.
Heck yeah, boss.
May I ask what that dash is from?
70 Chevelle.
Ooh wee.
Oh yeah, back here. Oh yeah. So we're kind of getting ready for the rain tomorrow, right? At noon. So.
How was day one?
Yesterday was good. Today was a little slow.
Okay.
Still enjoy being here.
Yeah, it's great weather. Sheesh.
Going in the Civic next video.
What?
Hate to spoil it. Hate to spoil it. Maybe they got her moving.
Get. Get forward a little.
Bro, so there's another parking lot we are going to check out.
Check out.
Check out.
Check out.
So we're locked out, right? Yes.
We leaving right now. We just left. We left. We got no outro, but it don't matter.